These are our Firefly Tiki torch canisters. You can use them standalone, or you can slide them into a standard Tiki torch that you would buy at a big box store. Now, I'd like to set the wick ever so slightly above the wick holder. I've set it a little bit higher on the one on the right to show you that you can set it up higher if you want a larger flame. But we tend to keep them pretty short, and that allows us to conserve fuel and reduce the amount of certain smoke. These are stainless steel. The one on the left, the taller one, is brushed aluminum. It holds 10 ounces of fuel, and the one on the right is a polished stainless steel, and it holds about 6 ounces of fuel. They come with a fiberglass wick, and we have snuffers that will help you snuff the flame out, and it will also protect the wick in inclement weather. Now, we're burning safe and green right now, and you'll see that there is some smoke, but that's to be anticipated when using a large wick. So if you want less smoke, then pull the wick down. Now, the flame protectors get super, super hot within seconds of lighting. So just be wary of that. Do not pick up it by the flame protector, because it will burn you. So that being said, I hope you enjoy our new product. Thanks for watching.